Hello and welcome to Talissa Decor. Today I'm gonna answer the question, can the 14 PVC ceiling tiles installed with the nails? Now, the short answer would be yes. For the longer version of the answer, please watch the video. Today, for demonstration purpose, I'm gonna use the antique white ceiling tile, 14 ceiling tile, and I'm gonna use two different types of nails. The upholstery nails with a big, heavily decorated head. You can find these nails at all kind of different finishes. It can be silver, copper, gold to match the finish of the tile that you choose. Or you can go with the tile. You can go with a nail, which will be almost invisible. You can also choose the finish that will work better with your tile. This is the nails that I'm gonna use. Basically, in order to install the tile, you can use just the nails. I still recommend to use a bit of adhesive. The one we normally work with called Styropro. You can apply just a bit in the middle of the tile, just to prevent a sagging down the road. And here we go. Today, for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to install the tiles on the wall. Actually, using the same technique, you can install the tiles on the ceiling. It'll be the same. Just like when you install the ceiling tiles with the glue, we recommend to always overlap the tile. It will help to make the joint almost completely invisible. The same thing you would do when you install it with the nails. So when I overlap the tile, now I would recommend to put at least 4 nails for each side of the tile. and you continue so on and so forth. So as you can see, the black nails, smaller hat, they're less visible. The upholstery nails, they're more visible. Depends on how you like it. You can choose either type of nails. This is it for today. If you have any questions, just please email us, call us, or visit our website www.talissadecor.com. We'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you.